Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be talking about oatmeal as a face mask and how to use it. Oatmeal is hypoallergenic and loaded with skin-smoothing properties. When oatmeal is combined with other products, people with sensitive skin, oily skin, acne-prone skin, and skin allergies can enjoy its benefits on their faces. This superfood can be used for skin and beauty needs. Oatmeal contains amino acid, which is a building block for your body, helping to promote healing and rebuild tissues. How to use the superfood for your skin and beauty needs. Oatmeal can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. Oatmeal is characterized by helping to alleviate rashes and allergic reactions like acne, pimples, blackheads, and it can remove all manner of dead skin, acne scars, sunburn, and repair any skin damages. It is actually very efficient, cheap, and easy to prepare mask. Oatmeal is capable of restoring the pH level of your skin. It is one of the most important ingredients in cosmetics. All that you need for this recipe is your oatmeal, warm water or warm milk, coconut oil, and some drops of vitamin E oil. If you don't like coconut oil, you can decide to use olive oil or any other oil within your reach. If you don't know how to prepare your oatmeal mask, you don't need to worry, because, in a few minutes, you will learn in this video how you can prepare this mask at home. Oatmeal is capable of restoring the pH level of your skin. It is actually one of the ingredients to look out for when buying any cosmetics. Oatmeal can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne and many other skin diseases. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help to treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. How to prepare oatmeal mask. Step 1. Pour your oatmeal into your food processor and grind into a smooth powder. Step 2. Put 2 teaspoons of your oatmeal into a small bowl. Step 3. Add half a spoon of coconut oil. Step 4. Add warm water or warm milk until you get a mask consistency. Step 5. Use a brush to spread the mask over your face. Step 6. Allow it to seat on the face for 20 to 25 minutes and afterward, rinse off and rub your moisturizer on your face. You can also use oatmeal as an exfoliator so as to slough off dead dry skin to get a fresh, soft, supple and glowing skin. When this amazing mask is used on the face, you will begin to see the result instantly, and in a period of 2 weeks all your acne will dry up, dark spots, and scars will be faded away. Oatmeal can be used for healing wounds in any part of the body. Please, if you find out that it is not suitable for your skin, stop and consult a dermatologist immediately. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share so that your friends and families can also benefit from it. Thanks for stopping by.